Guys, this is your Pokemaster once again, and today is the 4th episode of the Top 5 Finds. So for our Top 5 Finds, guys, in our MTG bulk, so we have 5 very nice finds, and this will be available in our Shopee shop. As I always mention, guys, please follow Daily Dose of Magic in Shopee shop, and please, guys, support our channel. Please subscribe, and of course, like this video as well. So without further ado, let's dig into it. Our first find, guys, is Rakdos Charm. This one is a 2 mana, okay, 1 black, 1 red. It's an instant card, very nice card, guys. You can choose one of this effect. So you can exile all cards from the target's player graveyard, or destroy target artifact, or each creature deals 1 damage to its controller. Wow. This one is very OP card, and I think this is better if you want to exile all cards from your target player's graveyard. So all of the target player's graveyard will be exiled. So just 2 mana Rakdos Charm. Let's go. Very nice card. So for our second card, guys, is Harmonic Silver. So Harmonic Silver, 1 colorless, 1 green, 1 white. So this one is a creature silver. So I love the effect, guys. So all silvers have, when this creature comes into play, destroy target artifact or enchantment. So imagine if when it just entered the battlefield, you can immediately destroy any target artifact or enchantment. So it's very nice. And also this one is a bit what I say, it's a bit old card from 1993 to 2006. Very nice card. Harmonic Silver. So for our third card, guys, our third card is Izzet Charm. So this one is a blue 2 mana. So you need 2 mana, 1 blue, 1 red, and it's an instant card. So this one you can choose one again. Either counter target non-creature spell unless its controller pays 2 mana, or Izzet Charm deals 2 damage to target creature, or draw 2 cards then discard 2 cards. Very nice. You can select any of these depending on what you need during those times. So Izzet Charm is a very nice card in almost all situations. So you can use this. This is third card. And for our fourth card, guys, I really love this. Is a board wipe card. It's an Obliterating Bolt, 2 mana only, 1 colorless, and 1 red. This is an uncommon card, guys, a sorcery. I really like this because this can deals 4 damage to target creature or planeswalker. If that creature or planeswalker would die in this turn, exile it instead. Very nice. Usually the planeswalker lives, guys, is only for 4 lives or 4 toughness. And with this 2 mana only, guys, sorcery, you can kill the planeswalker. Very nice card. Fourth card, Obliterating Bolt. You need to have this if you are building any deck, I think. Okay, for our last card, guys, I really like this. This is Energy Refractor for 2 mana only, colorless mana. So this is an artifact, guys. When Energy Refractor enters the battlefield, you can initially draw a card. And after that, if you pay 2 mana, add 1 mana of any color. So you can add 1 mana of any color that you need. For example, you need another. You are building green deck. You have a green deck, and then you want a red mana. You can use this one if you don't have any mountain or any lands, red lands. You can use this one, so you can add 1 mana of any color that you need. So it's very powerful card, and is a very useful card. So these 5 finds, guys, is very useful in any deck, I must say. And yeah, share us your thought about it. What is your favorite among these 5 cards? Please share your thoughts, guys. Please comment in the comment section, and please subscribe to our channel. That's all for today, guys, for our top 5 finds of the day. Thank you.